Hi. How are you doing today?
I'm doing well. Thank you. How about you?
How's your day going so far?
It's going well. Thanks for asking. Just getting ready to head out.
How's your day going so far?
It's going well. Thanks for asking. Just getting ready to head out.
How was your weekend?
IT was great. We had nice Lecktimer.
Lovely weather, isn't it?
It is. It's nice to finally have some sun after all the rain.
I love your garden. What a beautiful flower arrangement.
Thank you so much. It's a work in progress.
Are you new to the neighborhood? I don't think we've met.
Yes, we just moved in last month. We're on the corner of Elm Street.
Did you hear about the new cafe opening on Main Street?
Yes, Deet. I'm excited to check it out.
Your kids are so sweet. I saw them playing in the yard earlier.
Thank you. They love being outside.
I'm heading to the store. Do you need anything?
No, thanks, but that's really kind of you to offer. Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I'm definitely a night owl. I get my best work done late at night.
How do you feel about online shopping?
I think it's very convenient, but I still prefer to shop in person sometimes.
What makes you happy?
Spending time with my friends and family makes me happy.
What's one thing you can't live without?
I can't live without my phone. It's essential for my work.
How do you deal with stress?
I like to go for a run or listen to music to help me relax.
What's the best advice you've ever received?
The best advice was to always be yourself.
Do you have a favorite season?
My favorite season is autumn because I love the cool weather and colorful leaves.
What's your dream job?
My dream job is to be a travel writer and visit new places.
What's a skill you'd like to learn?
I'd love to learn how to play the piano. It seems so relaxing.
Where would you like to travel next?
I'd love to visit Spain. I want to see the architecture and try the food.
What's the most interesting place you've been?
The most interesting place I've visited is Japan. The culture was so different and amazing.
Do you prefer the beach or the mountains?
I prefer the mountains. I love the quiet and the fresh air.
How do you get to work?
I usually take the bus, but sometimes I walk if the weather is nice.
What's the best thing about your city?
I think the best thing is all the beautiful parks and green spaces.
Have you ever been on a road trip?
Yes, I have. My friends and I drove to the coast last summer. It was a lot of fun.
Do you like traveling alone or with others?
I prefer traveling with friends. It's more fun to share the experience.
What kind of places do you like to visit?
I like to visit historical places and big cities.
What's the most beautiful natural place you've seen?
I once saw a beautiful waterfall in the forest. It was incredible.
What's the longest flight you've ever been on?
My longest flight was about 12 hours from Tokyo to New York. Do you like to cook?
I like to cook sometimes, but I'm not a great cook. I'm trying to learn, though.
What's a dish you can cook well?
I can make a really good omelette. It's simple but delicious.
What do you usually have for breakfast?
I usually have toast and coffee, or sometimes some cereal.
What's a food you don't like?
I don't really like mushrooms. I don't like their texture.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is a good cup of hot chocolate.
Do you prefer eating out or cooking at home?
I prefer eating out. It's nice to try different restaurants.
What's your favorite type of cuisine?
I really like Italian food, especially pizza.
Are you a coffee or tea person?
I'm definitely a coffee person. I can't start my day without it.
What's the best meal you've ever had?
I had an incredible steak at a restaurant last year. It was unforgettable.
What's your go-to snack?
My go-to snack is an apple or some nuts.
What's the most useful app on your phone?
My navigation app is the most useful. I use it all the time to find new places.
Do you use social media a lot?
Yes, do. I use it to keep in touch with my friends and to see what's happening in the world.
How has technology changed your life?
It has made it much easier to communicate with people and find information.
What's a piece of technology you can't live without?
I can't live without my smartphone. It's my alarm, my calendar, and my communication tool.
What do you think about artificial intelligence?
I think it's very interesting and will change many things in the future.